Evening, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of... The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Union County in northeastern New Jersey, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Nassau County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 8 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a large area of showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain approaching the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin within the next hour across portions of the area. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour are possible with localized higher amounts. Some locations that will experience flooding include New York, Oyster Bay, Newark, Jersey City, Yonkers, Paterson, Elizabeth, New Rochelle, Passaic, Bayonne, Wayne, Hoboken, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Hackensack, Freeport, Linden, Valley Stream, Long Beach, and Glen Cove. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Passaic, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Westchester. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Peck's Pond, or 14 miles west of Montague, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Port Jervis, Newton, Montague, Franklin, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Branchville, Vernon Valley, High Point, Crandon Lakes, Haynesville, Kellett Townsend, Highland Lake, Lake Mohawk, and Upper Greenwood Lake. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, New Jersey,